This area is the first mitigation site of its kind for the Rio Grande Valley. Typically, mitigation is used in other scales, but during this project, we had the privilege of restoring 350 acres of wetlands and a little over 1,000 thorn scrub habitat. And we were able to plant 29,000 seedlings of thorn scrub habitat around these depressions and on these lomas, including everything that was native and stripping what was invasive prior to construction really helped out with the area, and we hope to continue to see these plants and wildlife use this location. Environmental stewardship means to me that we are preserving habitats like this for future and present generations. We want to continue to see the success of this project within the next couple of years with the habitat that we included and with the designs that we made for this area. Just overall monitoring for the next couple of years is going to be the best thing to see the success of this project. This place will stay in this condition forever and ever in years to come. It will only include and increase the number of species of wild game, of birds, of endangered species to live out here and to succeed in this area.